Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the tile model because opening methods and batteries differ. For most, it's a CR2032. Once you know the model, place the tile face down on a clean surface and have a small flat tool and replacement battery ready. Pry gently at the seam, aim to separate halves without bending the case. You do this now to avoid damaging the contacts and make sure to keep parts in order so reassembly is straightforward. Once the case is open, locate the battery clip and remove the old CR2032 by levering at the edge. You should see the plus side orientation, so you install the new one the same way. Make sure to clean the contacts with a dry cloth to remove any corrosion that could impede connection. After seating the new battery, press the case halves together until they click. You do this carefully to preserve seals and ensure the tile powers on reliably. You finish by snapping the case closed, checking for gaps so any water resistance remains intact, and then immediately test the tile in the app. Once done, open the tile app and confirm the device appears online and can play a tone. This verifies good contact and correct orientation. If it fails, make sure to reseat the battery, clean contacts again, and try another CR2032 because dead new batteries occasionally occur. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.